Go your way. I go my way. We are different. We are so many. Diverse cultures, diverse beliefs, diverse languages. Book of us, I they speak English. Oh, my people. No, it is not good for us to say, based on our background, we want to go differently. No, let's come together. Yes. Good day, good morning, bonjour, ekudede, buenos dias. This is Breaking News by Buki Ovasabi. I sabi too many things. Today, now one special birthday. You get birthday today. May they follow me come. So today, October 24th, 2024, is the United Nations Day. What I talk? United Nations. No, we say we know they go our way. You go your way. I go my way. All of us come together. Let's come together in unity. Let us be united. Now, so United Nations talk. In French, what do we call them? Journée de Nations Unies. Yes, so. In Yoruba, what do we call it? Ọjọ Egbe àwon, orílè. And in Spanish, how do we refer to today? We say it's Día de las Naciones Unidas. In French, you know they collect, you know they pronounce everything. But for Spanish, you go pronounce everything. Yes, so everything, you go pronounce them. So, as we do birthday today, that is all the 193 countries, despite their differences, their different cultures, 193 countries have come together. We are not doing go your way, I go my way. We are together now. We are called United Nations. And this year, 2024, our birthday as United Nations is 24th of October, and we have turned 79 years old. We don't become grandpapa. Oh. I tell you, so this your girl, Buki Ovasabi. I sabi too many things. So make we all join hands together. Make we celebrate and say happy birthday, United Nations. Happy birthday. Why the United Nations? What is they about? What is they do? Go. Why United Nations? Why you say make all of us come together? United Nations serves as a global forum where countries can raise the most difficult issues, including problems of war and peace. And then the United Nations maintains international peace and security and protect human rights. No be small thing. Grandpa, 79 years. I been a grandma, whether grandpa and grandma together, 79 years old. We say, all of us, we say together, happy birthday, United Nations, happy birthday.